So it has been a hectic, to put it lightly, few weeks, really. I haven't really managed to film much. I've got a bunch of videos that I need to edit and upload. There's definitely a backlog there. But as you can see, I now have my lights installed here. There's some stuff I need to do to make them look nice. Got my light installed for my little kitchen area. I have my light installed in my office area, which I'm happy with. Ignore the mess on the desk. As I'm getting towards final tweaks, this here is a special material that goes underneath the mattress. So I'll show you here. Because this is where my bed is going to be, and my mattress is going to be. And this material stops mold from growing underneath. You need to have air underneath the mattress, which is something new that I learned. Underneath this is OSB and insulation. So yeah, it's getting closer, but nothing is as urgent as it was before with like the AC and like the lights and the electricity, the power and stuff like that. So all of the urgent tasks are done, which is good. The pace has slowed down a little bit, but I am still chipping away. Today's task is I have some 1/2-inch plywood hanging around, and I am trying to figure out if I'm going to make my kitchen cabinet doors or my electrical cabinet doors. I think I have enough for one or the other, but not both. So I'm just trying to figure out that. I don't know. Can't decide now. Okay, let's make a decision. I can't decide, so I'm going to flip a coin. Okay, so heads, I do the power cabinet. Okay, I'm doing the kitchen. That was easy. Okay. I'm going to do the kitchen cabinet. Okay, and there we have it so far. Obviously, this one needs a little bit of shaving, but it's good because it means I can actually open it. And this trash can came with an attachment on it, so I can hook it up to the door, essentially. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift it up slightly, so I can have it on the door, and it will swing out with the door. So that's what I'm going to do now. But yeah, I mean, I'm pretty happy with them overall. A little bit of trimming down, and I'll probably get maybe something here just to stop them pushing all the way back, so that they can actually just stop there. Yeah, they're pretty good. I like these hinges simply for the fact that they have a fair bit of, like, it sticks open, and then when it does close, it does actually feel like it has some, if things fall against it, it's not just going to immediately swing open. So there is a little bit of, it will take a little bit to actually open the door up, which is obviously good in a moving vehicle. So yeah, pretty happy with that so far. So let's get this on and see how this looks, see how much clearance and stuff we need for it. So I finally got there. It took a little while, but I now do have cabinet doors that open up. Now I have my little trash can here. Obviously it did take a few attempts to get it in right, but let's not talk about them. However, I think it looks pretty good, and I'm happy that things are, you know, able to be tidied away now. Obviously there's some finishing stuff that I need to do to it, all the cabinets, period, so nothing new there, but things are covered up and I don't have to worry too much about things falling out, falling over, as they have done in the past, and it fits everything in that I want it to. And I'm happy with this little trash can actually being in the door now, so I don't have to like reach in, I can just pull it out and put my stuff in. And yeah, I think it's pretty good. Use a little trash can now, put my stuff in there, do that, and then close. I do have to open the doors in a certain order, I think. I can't close it with this one because it gets jammed. But it works. It's a nice little project. So that's my project for the day done. And for the rest of the day, I am going to do some more work. So yeah, a small project that took longer than usual. That's the story of my life, I think. Unfortunately. It feels weird to have it here. I know that, like, I think because it's such a small space, I think I become so sensitive to changes. So like the lights, the way that they are right now, just having these two sets of lights makes it feel just a bit more like, oh, it's an actual space that I belong in, that I'm supposed to be in. This as well, having that, my junk covered up, just puts my brain more at ease. It doesn't clutter up my mind. So yeah, it definitely feels just 5% more cozy and welcoming in here. So that is it for today. It is coming up to lunchtime. I'm going to tidy up and I'm going to get some more work done. So for now, I'm clocking out.